Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPad runs the latest iPad OS. This avoids compatibility issues. Next, pick an aesthetic theme so your widgets match a cohesive look. Install 2-3 widget apps such as Widgetsmith and Color Widgets, plus the Shortcuts app for custom icons. Once done, grant any permissions these apps request and create a blank home screen page to work on. This early setup gets you into the creative flow and prevents redoing steps later. Now you build the widgets themselves. Pick sizes that fit your grid and theme. In Widgetsmith or Color Widgets, set fonts, background colors, gradients, and subtle shadows to achieve depth. Save each style as a preset. Use shortcuts to make custom app icons and connect those shortcuts to apps or actions. Once created, long press the home screen, add each widget by selecting the correct app and size, and place them deliberately to maintain balance and visual flow. Finish by refining layout and adding smart stacks or automation so widgets change by time or context. This keeps the aesthetic dynamic. Tweak spacing and icon alignment until the page reads as a single design. Make backups of widget presets and screenshot layouts for easy recovery. If widgets fail to refresh, restart the iPad, confirm background app refresh and permissions, and reinstall the widget app if needed. Follow these steps and you'll have a cohesive, functional, and aesthetic home screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.